To put the seal on a triumphant weekend, the Red Arrows are invited to fill the prestigious evening display slot in front of Quebec's high society.
Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about making a Forex trading strategy flexible to make it make bigger profits and keep those losses small, so you're making a great income over time. Last week, I used the Red Arrows. I've used them again this week as my intro, and we discussed how important trading discipline was last week and used them as a contrast. I'm going to do the same this week, but only in relation to method, and I'm going to use them to basically reinforce the concepts of simplicity, flexibility, and coping with chaotic market conditions. There's a great clip of them at the end, so if you're still around, you'll be able to see that, and it'll encapsulate everything I'm going to talk about. Right, let's start with simplicity. Simplicity is the key to Forex trading success, and I'm not going to stress it too much in this video because I've said it before in numerous other ones. Best trading plans are simple, okay? If you make a system too complicated, you'll have too many variables in it, break down and lose. So you need to keep it very simple. But you've got two choices of the way you trade a simple system. Do you want to basically trade a set formula, okay, so mechanical and computerize it, or do you want to have flexible rules you think about yourself? Now, there are merits to both ways of trading. Now, in various other videos, I basically rubbished Forex robots and expert advisors I see on the net, and I don't change my view on that. Most have got ridiculous track records and just load of hype, really, never going to work. But there are Forex trading systems that will make money. So what can you expect from the really good trading systems? Well, there's plus and minus here, okay? The plus is you could probably make, with the best ones I've ever seen over my 25 years trading, about 30% per annum. It's a healthy game. And, if you're looking to build income long term, it's great, okay? But always bear in mind that, a mechanical trading system will draw down sometimes for 6 months plus. This is even the best systems. So you are going to have long losing periods. And a lot of traders don't like sitting there for months on end watching a computer lose. I mean, even if they think it's going to come good, they don't like that feeling. I think most traders want to basically, have a trading system they control and understand. And now what I want to do is move to the flexibility aspect, okay? The reason the mechanical system obviously has long periods of drawdown is it can only be set one way. It can be set to maybe trend follow, make money when trends are there, swing trading ranges, or make money when the ranges are there. But of course, when the trading conditions change, the system will move into drawdown mode. There's no way trading systems can avoid this, mechanical ones, but you can avoid it by thinking for yourself. Now, thinking, I've said this before, tends to frighten a lot of people. I've never quite understood why. I mean, in your day job, you think, even if you work in McDonald's, you think, solicitor, you think. That's just part of what we are. We're human. We are the only species on Earth that is capable of independent thought. I mean, it's something that I think makes us better than a computer. A computer can only, react to what's programmed into it, normally by a human, whereas we can, think and we can change, and I think that's a massive advantage. Now, my own view is that, Forex markets are basically ever changing. They never fail to surprise you. They're very chaotic in terms of they're obviously human, so they just move where and when they want, and it's a market that's ever evolving. There are chart setups, high odds chart setups, but no two chart setups are ever the same. So my own view is you need to look at the charts. Now, if you take Forex markets, I would say that it's a bit like, when the red arrows are flying, they do the same maneuvers, okay? They don't put the planes on autopilot, they fly them. Why do they have to fly them? Because, of course, the weather is always changing. Wind is changing, visibility. They got the skills, so they can just, cope with that. And it's the same with us in Forex trading. You should be able to look at the chart with a bit of practice, decide if a market is in a range, and range trading strategies are good, or if it's trend following, or if it's low volatility to high volatility. These are all easy learned skills. And you just have simple rules that you apply, which you have confidence in, that generate the trading signals. So I think it's a question of the rules of the game, you're just playing the game, okay? You just react to what you see and cope with it. And, I think a lot of traders, if they could get this sort of mindset, that we've just said simple systems are the best, and applying a simple system, thinking, is actually quite easy. You just have to, get a little bit of practice, and then you'll soon be trading like a pro. Also, the other thing we can do as humans is we can obviously override our system. So now I know I talk a lot about discipline, but when I mean override, I probably use the wrong terminology. I mean we can stay out of trades. So let's say a setup just doesn't look quite right. We can have the patience to wait to see if it's confirmed or just pass it by. A lot of traders trade too much. I think patience is a fantastic attribute to have as a Forex trader. And by being patient, staying out of trades you're not fully confident in, you can reduce drawdown and increase profit potential longer term. So if you're new to Forex trading, don't be intimidated by the markets. Remember that simple systems always work, simple rules. Get a simple rule set, learn it, apply it yourself. You'll have more confidence and you'll follow your trading plan better if you do, because you know what you're doing. And, respond to what you see. Okay, so you know the rules, just respond to what you see. Okay, so that's the video today. Just remember that simplicity, flexibility, and the ability to respond to ever-changing market conditions are the keys to success. All great Forex traders do this. You can too. And we're just going to go out again with a clip of the red arrows, which shows that simple is really beautiful. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day and speak to you soon. Take care.